Once again, welcome all of you. Second poem 2.2 Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. See the questions from Brainstorming, page number 101. The first question A1. Discuss with your partner about the following vocations. Vocations म्हणजे व्यवसाय. 4 vocations are given there and we have to discuss about these vocations. We have to give the information in short about these vocations. Weaving, tailoring, knitting and embroidering. See the first one. Weaving. Weaving म्हणजे विणणे, विणकाम. Weaving is a method of textile production. In weaving, two distinct sets of threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. म्हणजेच काय? विविंग म्हणजे काय? तर विणकाम. विणकाम ही एक कापड उत्पादनाची एक पद्धत आहे आणि विणकाम करताना धाग्यांचे 2 वेगवेगळे सेट किंवा कापड तयार करण्यासाठी धागे एकत्र केले जातात. ओके. सेकंड वन, टेलरिंग. Tailoring is a vocation in which a person makes clothes to fit people. टेलरिंग बद्दल माहिती सांगण्याची काही गरज नाहीये. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, knitting. Knitting creates flexible fabric by looping thread or yarn together using 2 or more knitting needles or a knitting machine. निटिंग म्हणजे काय? निटिंग मध्ये म्हणजे सुद्धा विणणेच आहे. ओके. आता यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? विणकाम करण्याच्या ज्या सुया आहेत किंवा विणकामाची जी मशीन आहे ती वापरून धाग्यांचा वापर करून लवचिक असं म्हणजे फ्लेक्झिबल असं फॅब्रिक कापड तयार केलं जातं. अँड द लास्ट वन इज एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग. Embroidery is a craft of decorating fabric or other materials using a needle to apply thread or yarn. Embroidery सगळ्यांनाच माहीत आहे त्यामुळे ते सांगण्याची सुद्धा गरज नाही आहे. सो this is our A1. Now A2. See the question. Discuss the various products made by the weavers in the poem. Discuss the various products. See, in our poem, the weavers are weaving something. The poem is divided into 3 stanzas, and in each stanza, the weavers are doing something. They are making some product. Understand? So, we have to discuss about these products. So, what these weavers are doing? See, first of all, in the first stanza, the weavers weave the robes of a newborn child. It is as blue as the wings of halcyon bird. In the second stanza, these weavers weave a bright garment like the plumes of peacock. That garment is purple and green in color. That was a marriage wealth of a queen. And in the last stanza, the weavers weave a dead man's funeral shroud, which is as white as feather or a cloud. Understand? बघा, 3 स्टँझामध्ये वीवर्स काहीतरी वीव करतायत, विणत आहेत. पहिल्या स्टँझामध्ये ते काय विणत आहेत? तर न्यूबॉर्न बेबी आहे, नुकतं जन्मलेलं बाळ. त्या बाळाचे कपडे विणत आहेत. ओके. सेकंड स्टँझामध्ये ते काय करत आहेत? तर जे गारमेंट विणत आहेत, हे गारमेंट म्हणजे काय आहे? तर मॅरेज वेल्स ऑफ अ क्वीन. आणि हे मी वेल आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. ओके. सो या वेलचा कलर कसा आहे? तर इट इज लाईक प्ल्युम्स ऑफ पिकॉक, पर्पल अँड ग्रीन कलरचं वेल ते विणत आहेत. अँड इन द लास्ट स्टँझा द वीवर्स आर वीविंग द फ्युनरल श्राऊड फॉर अ डेड मॅन. मृत व्यक्तीचं जी डेड बॉडी आहे ते डेड बॉडी कव्हर करण्यासाठी जे कफन लागतं किंवा जे कापड लागतं ते कापड विणत आहेत. ओके. See the second question from A2. The words in the 3 stanzas of the poem mention different times of a day. Complete the table. See, one table is given to you and see what that table is about. We have to write time of the day, the words or phrases which indicates that particular time, and that on that particular time what the weavers are doing. So the last column is about weavers work. We have to explain what these weavers are doing on that particular time. So one is given to you. See, time of the day. What is the time? Early morning. And which words or phrases indicate that it is early morning? See the first stanza, break of day. The first line itself, it gives us the information that it is early morning. And what these weavers are doing at early in the morning? Weavers weave robes of the newborn child. बघा अर्ली मॉर्निंग आपल्याला कोणती फ्रेज सांगते तर ब्रेक ऑफ डे. ब्रेक ऑफ डे म्हणजे अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. अंडरस्टँड. मग या वेळेला विवर्स काय करत आहेत तर विवर्स विव रोब्स फॉर न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड. नुकताच जन्मलेल्या बाळाचे कपडे विणत आहेत. नाव late in the evening, it is the description of the second stanza. What tells us that it is late in the evening? See the phrase fall of night. That phrase indicate that it is late in the evening. So what these weavers are doing late in the evening? These weavers weave a wedding well for a queen. And the last one, cold night. See the third stanza. See which phrase tells us that it is cold night? The word, see, moonlight chill tells us that it is night and that night is so cold. And what these weavers are doing at that time? The weavers weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Okay, it is so easy for you to write. Now the third sub question, see, the poem reveals three phases of life. Fill in the blanks with feelings and colors appropriate to the phases of life. One is done for you. See, the poem reveals three phases of life. Three stages of life are described in our poem. Three stanzas are there and three stanzas tells us the information about the three different phases of life. Now fill in the blanks with feelings as well as with the colors appropriate to the phases of life. Now see how is the table? Newborn or childhood. Then second one is youth, that is adulthood, and the last one is old age, that is death. Now see, newborn or childhood. Which color indicate that it is childhood in our poem? Blue color stands for childhood. And what is the feeling there? Hopes and expectations. In the first stanza, the feelings are about hopes and expectations. It means that the weavers have the hopes, they have the expectations. Expectations means अपेक्षा. Hopes आहेत, आशा आहेत, अपेक्षा आहेत. Okay. Second column, youth or adulthood. Which color represent here? In the second stanza, purple and green color is there. And the feelings are responsibilities are there, struggles are there. It means that here the poet is talking about struggle and responsibilities of adulthood. Understand? And the last stage, that is old age, means death. And which color is there in the third stanza? White. So white color stands for, means which feelings that color stress? See, peace or wisdom. So it is our third question. Now see the fourth one, complete. What we have to complete? See, the weavers weave in the moonlight, in the chill moonlight. See, the weavers weave in the chill moonlight. What they are weaving in the chill moonlight? अगदी मूनलाईट मध्ये, चंद्रप्रकाशामध्ये हे विवर्स काय विणत आहेत? अ गार्मेंट as white as a feather and white as a cloud. It is a shroud for dead man's funeral. What these weavers are doing? What these weavers are weaving? They are weaving the shroud for dead man's funeral. Now see the next question. Pick out two words used to describe the weavers in the last stanza. Also state their importance. See, pick out two words used to describe the weavers in the last stanza. How are the weavers in the last stanza? They are solemn and still. Understand? So which words tells us solemn and still. These are the words used for our weavers. Now see what we have to do. Also state their importance. What is the importance of these two words, solemn and still? As it is the last stage of human life, these weavers seem so serious. See the last stanza description. The last stanza is the description of dead man's funeral shroud. Here the poet is talking about the garment which the weavers are doing. It is the last stage of human life. And what is that last stage? That is old age or death. So here the poet is talking about death, and that's why the weavers are solemn and still. They are so serious. Okay. Now the next question. Express your views about the present condition of weavers. See, just like a personal response type of question, you have to express your personal views about the present condition of weavers. What is the present condition of the weavers? See, at present, weavers are facing hardships due to availability of cheaper imported fabric. Weavers seem the unfortunate artisans. Their condition is so miserable. So, we can see many weavers to shift to some other professions. So, it is needed to save this traditional craft. How is the condition of the weavers nowadays? Their condition means they have to face hardship. Their condition is not good one. Understand? They have to face many problems in their lives. या विवर्सची आत्ताची प्रेझेंट कंडिशन काही चांगली नाही आहे. त्यांना बरेचसे प्रॉब्लेम्स डिफिकल्टीज फेस करावे लागत आहेत. कापड किंवा जे यान आहे, जे धागे ते वापरत आहेत, हे खूप कॉस्टली आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांना खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस करावे लागत आहेत. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Describe in your own words the steps or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of the weavers. Once again, just like the personal response type of question, what we have to do? We have to describe in our own words the steps or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of weavers. If we want to improve the condition of the weavers, what we have to do? जर अशा या विवर्सची कंडिशन, त्यांना असलेले प्रॉब्लेम्स आपल्याला सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत, तर आपण काय करू शकतो? बघा, द टेक्सटाईल मिनिस्ट्री शुड अरेंज फॉर मोर सबसिडीज. टेक्सटाईल मिनिस्ट्री शुड प्रोव्हाइड द सबसिडीज फॉर द वीवर्स. यार्न्स शुड बी अवेलेबल टू देम ॲट अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. यार्न्स म्हणजे धागे किंवा दोरे जे वापरत आहेत ते, यांच्या प्राइस कशा आहेत, कशा असायला पाहिजेत, तर परवडण्यासारख्या, अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस. द वीवर्स ऑल्सो शुड बी ट्रेन्ड इन द लेटेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी. विवर्सना लेटेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी काय आहे याबद्दलचं ट्रेनिंग मिळणं आवश्यक आहे, सो दॅट दे कॅन यूज दिस टेक्नॉलॉजी इन देअर विविंग. अँड गव्हर्नमेंट शुड बिअर द कॉस्ट फॉर इट. आणि याचा सगळा खर्च कोणी उचलला पाहिजे, तर गव्हर्नमेंटने उचलला पाहिजे, सो दॅट वी कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह द कंडिशन ऑफ the weavers. Understand? The remaining questions we will see in the